Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I have a junction block or fuse block for a 2002 Dodge Dakota, and what I'm going to go over is the parking lights not turning on and how we tested it for this particular issue. This right here is your parking light fuse, power. This is your parking lamp relay. So what we ran into is had power here, but we did not have power on this pin and no power on this pin. This fuse feeds constant power to both of these whenever the key is on. And then this is going to be this pin is your ground from the headlamp switch, and this one is your power out. So if you have power here at the fuse, no power on these two pins, then this whole box is bad. We tried to open it, but I think you have to drill the plastic out. It's like it's melted. We couldn't even try to break these clips together. But here's the diagram. So number 4 fuse, constant power on those 86 and 30 pins. And then here's your headlamp switch, and then you're out to your rear tail lights. So if you have an issue with, I'm not saying this is everyone's issue, but this is something that could be common, being that inside this is a circuit board. In older vehicles, the circuit boards just don't last. But check us out on Facebook, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, give us a holler. And as always, keep wrenching.